Think, man, think. What would be a good video idea? Ooh, I got it. I can make Spider-Man fight like one of his villains or something. Never mind, that'd be stupid. Or maybe I could make a video solving a Rubik's Cube. That would be impressive. No, that's also not a good one. Or maybe I could make a video about um clay. Yeah, clay coming to life. That's cool. No, that's also not a good one. Maybe I just need to take a walk, get my thoughts together. Finally, he's gone. Wait, what's that orange thing over there? Come on, I got it. Oof. Finally, I did it. Time for me to take a break. Ow. Oh, my face. How did that happen? Can this thing spin? Oh, sweet. It can spin. I wonder how fast I can spin it. I didn't know I could spin it that fast. That's so cool. Oh, crap. You know what? I think I got it. I'm gonna make a clay dude and have him solve the... What the heck?